Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how we can download and install MySQL Server on Windows 11 operating system. So before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, we have to go to Google where we can search the MySQL. Here you can see the MySQL. Click here and you can see here downloads. Click here, downloads. On Downloads tab, you can scroll down and you can see here MySQL Community Downloads. Click here. Now you have to search here MySQL Community Server. Click here. Now it will show you the latest MySQL Server, which is 9.3.0 innovation. So we should click here, Downloads, and it will ask you here for login or sign up. So we don't have a login here, username password, and I don't want to sign up here now, so we can click here, no thanks, and it will start downloading here MySQL. The download is complete, so click here. Now the welcome window of the MySQL server. Click here, next, accept the agreement license. Click next. Here you will be asked for three things: typical, customer, complete. We should go for complete because all features will be installed. Click complete and now click install. Now the MySQL setup has been complete. Click here, finish, to launch the run MySQL configurator. Click finish. Now the welcome window comes up, that is MySQL server configurator. We have to configure it. Click here, next, and it asks you for the data directory. Keep as it is default. Click next, and here you can see the configuration tab, that's development computer, and TCP IP ports, that's 3306. Click here, next. Here you will be asked for a root password. Enter it. Now you can also see here user accounts. You can add your user. For example, way to well, and host, let it be as it is. And you can also check the role. I want to keep this DB admin as well, and enter here your password. Now click here OK and click next. And these are the Windows services. You can either change or keep it as it is. I will keep it as default and click next. Now it will ask you for the server file permissions. Here we have to click yes, grant full access. Now click next, and here you can see the sample database. We can select both. It will be installed both Sakila database and world database, and we can click here next. And here now we have to apply all the configuration step by step. We have to execute, and you can see now all the configuration has been executed. So click here next, and the configuration has been completed. Now click finish. Now we can go to here, and where we can search the MySQL client. This is the MySQL command line client. Click here, and it asks you for the password you have entered there. Click here. Now you can see the all commands with backslash and h. You can see all the commands here. Now we can see whether the server is connected or not. You can use this backslash and r. Here you can see no database is currently connected. We can now check whether the database, my database, is connected or not. You can use the use command, use database, and then my database, and click enter. You can see there is no database with the name my database. So we can create a database as well. using this command create database, and then the my database name, my database, and then colon, and click enter. You can see now here one row affected. Now we can check again. Use the commands, use database and my database, click enter. You can see now use my database and it will show the database changed. This is how you can download and install MySQL on command line. You can also manage your database using graphical interface, that is which is here workbench. You can see here that is MySQL workbench. You can download and install as well. Click here and you can download the MySQL workbench, and if you want to log in you can, but here I will click here no thanks. See, the download has been completed. Click here and the welcome window of the MySQL workbench. Click here next, database directory, that is click next, choose complete and click next, click install. The wizard has been completed, click next. Now here you can see the local instance MySQL. Click here continue anyway. Here you can enter your queries. Now you can see here you can enter the queries, and you can manage this server and MySQL server using this management software, that is Workbench. You can also check the server status. You can see it's a local server and it's connected. You can also check the client connections, user privilege, and you can also check the performance using dashboard, and you can go through the schemas as well, and where you can see the different databases, my database, Skila, Sys database, and World. This is all about how you can download and install MySQL and this workbench MySQL. I hope you find this video informative. Please subscribe, share, and like my channel. Thank you.